Hello internet. I'm about to do the Beehive Trail with a full moon and it has just risen. All right. Got our first evidence of the moon over yonder. You're ruining my night vision. Press and hold. Press and hold. Press and hold. Was that pressing and holding?
Yes.
Called it. Looks like a rib cage. Oh, look at the little oak tree. Oh, that's just a branch. Some of these rocks are almost soft from everyone grabbing onto them all the time. Mission accomplished.